I just joined a new team with a terrible legacy code base. The architecture is a mess. Is there anything I can do to improve it? Where should I start?
Okay. Yes.
Well, first of all, don't try to rewrite it. Okay.
Exactly. Yes. And there's so usually we hear the word refactor with the word legacy.
Right. Meaning a rewrite rather than
meaning a rewrite.
Tiny refactoring is to improve it.
Yes. And of course, the reason there is that you just, like, if you're going to change something, how do you know you didn't break anything else? Like, you can't know that because you don't have any tests backing you up.
Well, yeah. So you're saying that a legacy code base does not have tests. That's the definition.
Yeah, I like this definition. Otherwise, what's going on. You get feedback when things are right and when things are wrong. Right.
Fast feedback and reliable. Yes.
Exactly. So that's my opinion there. I agree 100% with what you're saying, because it's so tempting. Let's say you're starting to understand, like good principles and everything, and then you see a code base like a legacy code base with, let's say, there's no separation of concerns going on, there's tight coupling, singletons, and all that stuff, or rather mutable global state.
Not just see it, but you inherit this code base, and it's
exactly.
your problem now.
Yes. And all you want to do is go there and fix everything. But
yeah, you want to execute, right? You learned, you practice, and you have the chance to execute now. And you have this mess in your hands.
Yes.
And you just want to go there and rewrite the whole thing in one go.
I mean, don't do it. If it works, just leave it there.
And if it doesn't work and you have something to fix, you refactor that part you want to fix, right? Refactor just that part, improve it, add some tests there, and slowly, every time you change it, the places you change, the places you touch, you add more tests, you clean it up. And over time, if you keep maintaining it this way, at some point you're going to have cleaned everything.
Yes.
Or some places you're not going to clean because you don't need any change. It's very stable. It works.
Exactly.
Even if it doesn't have tests, doesn't have the best architecture in there, the best design, it's stable. Don't change things that are working. Only the things that are not working.
Yes.
I think that's a safe bet.
Yeah. I think that's sound advice. And again, patience. Like, don't go after a mess just because you can identify the mess. If it works, it works.
Yes.
Don't break it.